Greetings to everyone. Myself, Mrs. J. Merlin, Assistant Professor of Nutrition Dietetics from SFR College. Today we are going to see about what is eggs and its structure and its composition of. So first we are going to see about what is egg. So egg, it is a complete food. Why it was a complete food? It contains all the essential amino acids which is required for the growth and development of human being. Egg can be get from various birds, may be eaten. However, eggs of hen and ducks are most commonly consumed. Egg protein contains all the essential amino acids already we seen. It has got highest biological value. Then the egg proteins are considered by the WHO to be the reference protein to which all the other proteins are compared. An average weight of egg which is yielded from a hen is about 2 ounce, that is 57 gram. So the egg from the chicken has 3 major components in its structure. They are shell, egg white and egg yolk. Egg shell, egg white and egg yolk. So this is the structure of egg. So this egg on the outer layer was called as a shell, which is composed of mostly protein polysaccharides and calcium carbonate. And the next the inner layer was called as egg inner membrane. The egg shell contains more number of pores, that is their role is allow the air inside and outside of the eggs. The next one was called as a fibrous layer. The fibrous layer was completely covered with the egg white. Then the egg yolk. The egg white was covered by the vitelline membrane. The egg white and the egg shell, the one edge has some places that is called as air space. Then the egg yolk was connected with the egg shell through the egg white, that is called as Charles. So first we are going to see about the egg shell. It is a protective covering of the inner components of egg. It contains 2 membranes and it was composed of, already we told, it was composed of protein polysaccharide compounds and calcium carbonate. It was easy to brittle and easy to break. Some shells are glassy, others dull. Some may be smooth and others may be rough. The porous contains thousands of small holes which allows the gases to pass in and outer of egg. The air is needed for the growth and development of embryo. The one part is cuticle, which is the small hole are covered with the thin layer of gelatinous material, mucoprotein, that is called also cuticle or bloom. The next one was the egg white. It is also known as egg albumin. It contributes about 65% of egg's liquid weight. It contains more than half of the egg's total protein. Egg white becomes thin as an egg ages because protein changes in its character, so that when the fresh egg has a thick white, when it gets older, the thickness of the egg white gets liquid, though that's why its strength get weakened. Hence the fresh egg sit up tall and firm in the band, while older ones tend to spread out in the band. As the egg ages, carbon dioxide escapes out, so the albumin becomes more transparent than the fresh ones. The next one is egg yolk. The yolk of the egg is enclosed in a sac called vitelline membrane. Immediately adjacent to the vitelline membrane, the thin membrane was that surrounds the egg yolk. It is calciferous layer. It is also called as inner layer of fine white. The calciferous layer gives a strength to the vitelline membrane, and it was also extends into the chalcine. The chalcine appears to have almost the same molecular structure as ova mucin. Beneath the germ spot extend a white part is called litebra. The egg yolk itself is layered into section white and yellow yolk, but they are not readily indistinguishable. So this is this table indicates the composition of egg. The whole egg has 65% of water component and 11.8% of protein, 11% of protein fat, 11.7% of ash content. The normal egg white contains 88% of water, 11% of protein, 0.2% of fat, 0.8% of ash content. Egg white has a rich component or rich in protein. Egg yolk contains more amount of fat. The egg yolk also contains the 48% of water, 17.5% of protein, 32% of fat and 2% of ash content. The egg weight was totally composed of these components, egg white, egg yolk and egg shell. Then we are going to see about the nutritional qualities of egg. It has a high biological value, isn't it? The egg are nutritionally rich in and one of the nature most complete food. Because it contains more amount of protein, fat, and it gives all the essential give mostly all the essential nutrients which is needed for the human being. They provide 173 kilocalories per 100 gram. The protein, major nutrients present in egg is protein and fat. The egg protein contains high quality and complete with all the essential amino acids is well balanced proportions. Biological value of egg protein is 100%, indicating all the protein consumed is retained by the body. Egg white, also known as albumin, contribute to the 60% of total protein present in egg and rest it from the egg yolk. Nearly 50% of protein in egg white is ovalbumin, followed by conalbumin. It contains 13%. Ovamucin, it is 10%. Lysozymes is 3.5%. Ovamucin is 2%. Avidin and ovaglobulin and ova inhibitor is it also contains some minimal proportions. So vitellin is the basic protein present in egg yolk, which is present in a lipoprotein complex in lipovitellin and lipovitellin. Phosphorvitine, and it is a phosphorus containing amino acid, and levitin, it is a sulfur containing protein. This protein also present in the egg yolk. Avidin, it is a protein present in egg white, which binds the vitamin biotin, thus makes the unavailable to the body. Avidin, it is also a antimicrobial activity. It was functioning against the microorganisms which is trying to invading the egg white. The next one is fat. Fat is it is concentrated in the egg yolk. Yolk fat can be divided into three major parts: triglycerides, phospholipids and lipoprotein. So triglyceride is a basic fat, isn't it? Lipoproteins are present in conjugation with the phospholipids. The primary phospholipid present in egg is lecithin and major sterol is cholesterol. The major triglycerides present in egg yolk is oleic acid, palmitic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid. Next one nutrient present in egg is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate has more types. So what are the carbohydrate present in egg yolk is glucose, mannose and galactose. The three carbohydrate present in egg is very small amounts. This will take part in Maillard reaction producing an undesirable brown discoloration in both dried and cooked egg white. When we subjecting the cooked for a long term boiling. The egg yolk contains some discoloration and brown color. That brown color is responsible for the mail order reaction, which is process between these carbohydrates. Then the micronutrients. The major micronutrients present in egg is vitamins and minerals. The egg white, the whole egg was rich in vitamins. That is A, D, E, except vitamin C. Minerals such as iron, phosphorus, zinc, iodine, phosphorus, sodium and chlorine, sulfur are also present in good amounts in egg. Iron present in egg is bound to be conalbumin, and therefore it is absorption is poor, while zinc is present in the most abundant biological active form. So these are the composition and the structure of egg. I hope all you are enjoying this presentation. We will see the next presentation. Thank you so much.